Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on December 1st and 2nd, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Christmas Lights Day. National Christmas Lights Day, celebrated on December 1st, marks the beginning of the festive season for many, with a specific focus on the tradition of hanging Christmas lights. This day encourages individuals, families, and communities to start decorating their homes, buildings, and streets with sparkling lights, signaling the onset of the holiday season. The tradition of lighting up homes and cities with vibrant lights is not just a means of decoration but also a symbolic gesture of bringing brightness and cheer during the winter months. The observance of National Christmas Lights Day often involves communities coming together to light up public spaces, homes organizing their light displays, and cities initiating their official holiday lightings. It's a day that captures the spirit of togetherness and joy associated with the Christmas season. People often use this day as an opportunity to unleash their creativity, designing elaborate light displays that range from simple and elegant to extravagant and thematic. In addition to the aesthetic appeal, these light displays often serve as a backdrop for holiday events and gatherings, fostering a sense of community and celebration. National Christmas Lights Day is a reminder of the warmth and joy that the holiday season brings, with twinkling lights illuminating the longer winter nights. National Peppermint Bark Day. National Peppermint Bark Day, celebrated on December 1st, is a day dedicated to the sweet and festive treat known as peppermint bark. This confection is a holiday favorite, commonly associated with the Christmas season. Peppermint bark typically consists of a layer of rich chocolate topped with a layer of white chocolate, and it's finished with a sprinkling of crushed peppermint candies, giving it a distinctive and refreshing flavor. The contrast between the smooth, creamy chocolate and the crunchy, mini peppermint pieces makes it a beloved treat during the winter holidays. On National Peppermint Bark Day, people are encouraged to enjoy and share this festive treat with family and friends. It's also a great day for baking enthusiasts and chocolate lovers to try their hand at making homemade peppermint bark. The process is relatively simple and allows for creativity in terms of chocolate types and peppermint candy variations. This day is not just about indulging in this delightful confection, it also symbolizes the joy and spirit of the holiday season. Peppermint bark often finds its way into holiday gift baskets, party treats, and family gatherings, making it a symbol of sharing and celebration during this time of year. National Peppermint Bark Day thus celebrates both the culinary delight of this seasonal treat and the festive cheer it represents. Eat a Red Apple Day. Eat a Red Apple Day, celebrated annually on December 1st, is a day dedicated to promoting the health benefits and enjoyment of eating red apples. This observance serves as a reminder of the old adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, underscoring the nutritional value and deliciousness of red apples. Apples are known for their health benefits, including being rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a great choice for a healthy snack. On Eat a Red Apple Day, people are encouraged to enjoy red apples in various forms, whether it's eating them fresh, baking them into desserts, or incorporating them into meals and salads. The day is an opportunity to appreciate the diversity of red apple varieties, each with its unique flavor and texture. Schools, health organizations, and food enthusiasts often use this day to educate about the health benefits of apples and to promote healthy eating habits. Activities might include apple tasting events, cooking demonstrations, and sharing recipes that highlight red apples. Eat a Red Apple Day is not just a celebration of this specific fruit, it's also a call to focus on healthier, more natural food choices in our daily diet. National Bartender Day. National Bartender Day, also known as Bartender Appreciation Day, is celebrated annually on the first Friday of December. This day recognizes and honors the skill, friendliness, and unique contributions of bartenders in the hospitality industry. Bartenders play a crucial role in crafting memorable experiences for patrons, skillfully mixing drinks, offering recommendations, and often serving as a listening ear or a source of entertainment. On National Bartender Day, people are encouraged to show their appreciation for the bartenders in their lives. This can be through simple gestures like saying, "Thank you," leaving a generous tip, or even sharing a positive review of their establishment. It's also a day for bar owners and managers to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of their bartending staff, possibly through awards, special events, or other forms of recognition. The day serves as a reminder of the unique blend of artistry, customer service, and knowledge that bartenders bring to their work, whether it's in a local pub, a high-end cocktail bar, or any other venue where they ply their trade. Celebrating National Bartender Day is about more than just enjoying a well-made drink, it's about valuing the individuals who create those experiences and contribute significantly to the hospitality industry. National Mutt Day. National Mutt Day, also known as National Mixed Breed Dog Day, is celebrated twice a year, on July 31st and December 2nd, to double the effort in raising awareness about mixed breed dogs in shelters and their need for adoption. This day was created to celebrate the charm, affection, and loyalty of mixed breed dogs, often referred to as mutts. The goal is to embrace, save, and celebrate mixed breed dogs, which frequently outnumber purebred dogs in shelters and are often overlooked by potential adopters. National Mutt Day is an excellent opportunity for people to learn about the benefits of adopting mixed breed dogs. Mutts often enjoy a unique combination of traits from various breeds, potentially leading to fewer health problems and unique temperaments. Animal shelters and rescue organizations across the country participate in National Mutt Day by hosting special adoption events and educational programs to encourage the adoption of mixed breed dogs. It's a day for spreading the word about the plight of mutts needing homes, volunteering at local shelters, donating supplies, and showcasing the wonderful characteristics of these often underappreciated dogs. Celebrating National Mutt Day is about giving these loving and deserving animals the chance for a happy life and highlighting the joy and fulfillment they bring to their human companions. World Pollution Prevention Day. World Pollution Prevention Day, observed on December 2nd, is a global event dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of pollution prevention and the need for concerted action to protect the environment. This day serves as a call to action for individuals, communities, businesses, and governments to engage in practices that reduce and prevent pollution in all its forms: air, water, soil, and noise. The goal is to highlight the critical environmental challenges we face due to various forms of pollution and to encourage sustainable practices that can lead to a cleaner, healthier planet. Activities on World Pollution Prevention Day often include educational campaigns, cleanup drives, seminars on sustainable living, and initiatives to reduce industrial pollution. It's a day for reflection and action, where people are encouraged to examine their own lifestyles and make changes towards reducing their environmental footprint. This might involve simple acts like using public transportation, reducing plastic use, or adopting energy-efficient appliances. The day also emphasizes the need for collaborative efforts and policy changes to tackle larger-scale environmental issues. By observing World Pollution Prevention Day, the global community acknowledges the impact of pollution on health, ecosystems, and climate, and renews its commitment to a more sustainable and pollution-free world. Business of Popping Corn Day. Business of Popping Corn Day is a unique observance that celebrates the popcorn industry and recognizes the cultural and economic significance of popcorn. While there isn't a widely recognized specific date for this celebration, it serves as an opportunity to appreciate popcorn not just as a beloved snack but also as a vital part of the snack food industry. Popcorn has a long history and is enjoyed in various forms around the world, from movie theaters to gourmet snack shops. On Business of Popping Corn Day, various aspects of the popcorn industry are highlighted, including the cultivation of popcorn, the innovation in flavors and packaging, and the marketing strategies that have made popcorn a popular snack choice. It's a day for popcorn manufacturers, retailers, and vendors to showcase their products and for consumers to learn more about the process behind this popular snack. This observance can include popcorn tastings, discussions about the history and future of popcorn, and recognition of those who work in the popcorn industry. Celebrating the Business of Popping Corn Day is about acknowledging the snack's simplicity and appeal while also understanding its role in the food industry and economy. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.